Hello, my name is Wally Beck, Director of Marketing here at AppTrigger. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to highlight a significant challenge within the service provider community and how AppTrigger's innovative application session controller will play a major role in eliminating this ongoing challenge. While NextGen Networks and IMS have done an excellent job of creating a foundation on which feature-rich applications can be built, the revenue-generating table stakes applications of the legacy network are commonly overlooked. To address this issue, AppTrigger pioneered the Application Session Controller, or ASC, as a new network element providing efficient and cost-effective application connectivity. Today's service providers face a number of issues as they continue to struggle with ways to enable efficient, effective, and timely application introduction. This is true not only for traditional applications residing on IN networks, but is also true with new innovative applications being developed and launched on NextGen networks and IMS networks. The competitive marketplace, the need to increase and retain ARPU while controlling the ongoing expense of application introduction all contribute to the risk associated with the introduction and the ongoing management of existing legacy and NextGen applications. As service providers continue to pursue this ideal application environment via NextGen and IMS build-outs, they are faced with the realities that pose inherent risks regarding both new and existing applications. The reality is that while service providers' vision is to move to an efficient NextGen environment where IMS provides the solutions to fast, efficient application management, SPs in the market are not there yet. At this stage, the majority of a service provider's customers and the associated application revenue reside on established IN networks and the applications within them. Services such as traditional voice-centric IN-based apps, like toll-free and ringback tones, as well as large voicemail services, are the heart of existing ARPU streams and critical to maintaining the ongoing revenue and customer usage goals of the provider. The risks facing the service providers are many when considering the market share, the revenue, and the costs associated with their existing applications and their plans for new application introduction. From a revenue perspective, service providers are faced with lost ARPU from both old and new applications, missed market opportunity, and increased churn as customers are moved from known services and networks to unfamiliar ones. With each application deployed, existing or new, there are inherent inefficiencies. The existing deployment process is slow and then therefore negatively impacts ROI. Inefficiencies in porting existing IN apps to NextGen networks and leveraging new apps to existing networks increase overall costs. There is an inherent complexity in transitioning each service. There is no standard process. Each of these issues contributes in its own way to the slow growth, the high cost, and the overall slow transition and introduction of innovation within the service provider marketplace. The challenge during this transition of old to new and new to old is how to best minimize the risk and maximize the benefit of their existing applications while building and enabling the promise of new application innovation via NextGen and IMS. The future of application introduction is one of which applications can be introduced quickly and cost-effectively with a minimal risk to current and future revenue streams. IMS is the next step along this road to the vision, but reality tells us that in the majority of cases, this is a future vision, not current state. What if there was a way to bring this vision closer to reality while leveraging the existing benefits of both current applications as well as new innovative apps on NextGen networks? AppTrigger's Application Session Controller and its Service Extender capabilities provide this answer. AppTrigger pioneered the ASC as a new network element providing efficient and cost-effective application connectivity for Tier 1 service providers worldwide. The ASC resides at the application layer and sits between the application layer and the core network to provide interworking and managed connectivity to the evolving network. AppTrigger's ASC Service Extender solution leverages these capabilities to allow service providers to preserve their investment in current revenue-producing applications by enabling interworking with NextGen networks and their build-outs. This enables service providers the ability to repurpose today's profitable legacy applications within their NextGen and IMS networks, as well as maximizing the investment in new next-gen applications with legacy IN and TDM networks. AppTrigger's ASC Service Extender represents an innovative, pragmatic approach to extending application reach and achieve higher ARPU for new and legacy apps in a cost-effective manner. As networks evolve into true next-gen IMS, AppTrigger's ASC and its Service Extender functionality fill an important role by providing cross-network capability and application reach for revenue-generating services. These innovative capabilities provide service providers with the means to maximize the potential within their existing applications and their networks, insulate their legacy investment, and prepare to embrace the future. To learn more about the Application Session Controller, visit us at apptrigger.com.